Okay, guys, welcome to Total Technology. Today we are going to do another web scraping, and it will be about an online medicine website. From there, we will collect all the medicine price and composition and all the data. It will be an interesting one, and for today's session, Ronnie is also with me in our meeting. So it will be an interacting one. Hope you guys will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello Ranu, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. I'm just doing the recording, so I have to put myself on mute. So go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. So first of all, let's us browse the website which we will going to scrap. The website is NetMed. It is a popular one in India, which list all the medicine available in India, and they do give home delivery also. So so let us go to this prescription section. And in prescription you can see by condition. By condition means your health condition. By depending upon the health condition, there are lots of medicine they are suggesting, and also by the manufacturer. So if we go to the manufacturer part and click on view all, so that's the view all section. And in view all, you can see the list of the all the pharmaceutical companies name listed here. Just as for example, 3A Pharmaceutical, then 4Care Life Science. But under 3A and 4Care, you can also see a 1 8 in the bracket after the names. This is the number of medicine they this site having. So for 3A Pharmaceutical, if we click on 3A Pharmaceutical, we can see the DOL 3A tablet 10s. 10s means 10 piece. Okay, and like similarly under 4Care Life Science Company, there are 8 medicines. So we are going to get all this data and we'll write in a CSV file. It will be a huge chunk of data, I think. So let's get start with the coding. You can see a little bit here down to the page is the all the types of company is there. So I am going to open a new. Let's change the directory first in Visual Studio. So let's name the file as medicine.py, or we can simply netmed.py. Okay, so as usual we will import the needful library requests. Of course we will use beautiful soup, so bs4. In our previous video we already mentioned how to install this beautiful soap and all others which are not coming by default in Python. Well, so we are not going to cover that. And So let's continue with the import libraries, import IO, and import also URL library. Let us also import URL library dot request, import URL library dot parse. As we are going to save all the data in our CSV file, so we need to import also the CSV. And now we need to open the main URL. The main URL you can see here is the netmesh.com medicine and manufacturer. So let's just copy it and open the URL by say creating a variable response is equal to request dot get that's the URL. Then your sorry response is equal to dot txt, and now just a second. Okay, my bad. Okay, now with the beautiful soup we need to get this data. So date, let's say data is equal to bs4 dot beautiful soup, and it is response comma lxml. We'll parse it in lxml format. Now let us go to the main page here. If we go to the main page, we need all these URL, company URL to drive. See, first we need to go to click this link. Means this URL we need this URL. Suppose 3A pharmaceutical. This URL we need. After that, this URL is needed. Means the medicine name. If you go to that medicine name, here you can get the total medicine name, company name, and composition and its price here. So we are going to dive one by one. So let's us go to inspect element and let's just inspect. So here is the URL, and if you can see it is under UL class alpha drug list. So let's just try with that. If you can read from that, so say read is equal to read one is equal to data dot select, and we need to select which one, this one, alpha drug list. Copy it from here, paste it. Okay, let's just print what is printing. uh, Print read one. So let's see what happened. Oops. Okay, it is printing. All the href is here. Let's get its length. How many URL is there? Okay, 29. So now let's get all this URL. We will use an for loop for I in range of this read one. The loop will run this many times, and from that what we will try to read. Let's us again go to this one. See, under li it is a href. So we need to select the, go to the li first, find all the li in this. So how we can do that? uh, for I in range of length read x, suppose x is equal to read one, and it will be I dot find all li. Then again under li you can see here, if we go to li, then you need to again go to a and then again go to href. So for j in range of x or length of x, y is equal to x, and it will be j dot same thing, find all A. Now again we need to run another loop. So in range length of y, and it will be z is equal to y k, and from here what we'll get href. So href. Now let's suppose print z and see whether we can get all the URL. So here it is. All the URLs here is coming. So you can see it. Now we will insert all the URL in a empty string. So let us suppose this string is uh, empty string, sorry, string, not string, main or company. Say company URL is equal to, and here we will company URL dot append z. So by this we will get all the main URL of the company. Now what? We get the, we are now in this page. So when we will get this under this page, say 3 pharmaceutical, so this will be, again we need to go inspect element and find this one. Okay, so to get to that page we have the URL now. Let's say we need to run again a for loop. So for I in range of length of company URL. So one by one it will loop through the or iterate through the company URL. And again we will just copy the code from here and will change as per our need. So if you here no need to pass the HTTP URL, you just need to pass here I. Company URL length now we need to go to inspect element. Just a second. Here, so go to inspect element and inspect this one. So if you can see, this is under div class panel body, then under UI and class product name. Okay. So it will be panel body. Then again for I in range, then length of read one, then we'll go to similarly L LIAH ref. Or you can just copy this one and correct the indent here. So it will give the all URL. So all URL is equal to or append okay, and let's us print the length of all URL. Okay, let's us clear this one and uh, comment this one. And is there any? Okay, let's just run this code and see what will happen. Uh-huh. It is giving out of range. So let's just change with 0 and print all URL. Oh, this will be company URL. My mistake. See why it is company URL? Because we are making the URL which will respond the text, and from company URL 0 1 it will look to that. So and after that it will go to that page and it will insert in the URL list. So my bad. Sorry. Let's again run this code. So it is running and collecting all the URL. Let's from where it is print length of it, where it is printing. Okay. So guys, it will take time. I think. I guess. Till then, Ronnie, you want to say something about that?
Yes, like
Hello.
I was just thinking, like this will be huge data. Why can't we do some kind of comparison, like whatever like companies or brands or medicine we are getting over here? After that, we'll use that in a input file, and from there we'll query from another website like 1mg or Sasta Sundar or Apple or something like that. And after that, we can run some kind of analytics, because ultimately our goal is to start the machine learning. So I think until and unless we are having huge number of data to do some sort of analytics or kind of data analysis or manipulation, because we need to visualize the data, and we have to understand the data first. And until and unless we can give and give an idea to the students or viewers, like how they can start, or how it will be actually going to start. So I'm thinking, like, after getting this data, we can do another series of videos, and after that we'll be doing some sort of data analysis, and from there we'll be developing our algorithm. And for that, I think we'll be requiring Jupyter notebook. So this sort of things are like very like unique sort of things. Like if you go some website like freelancerwith.com or people or our.com, there are multiple projects are running over there. Like people are looking for like developer for developing their bots to get the data from some different website, like scrape their data from some kind of medicine like mobile store or whatever. So if you are having this sort of code or understanding how we are actually doing this sort of things, then it will be easier for you guys to develop this sort of things, and you can start making some money just right away, right from your home. You don't have to work for any 8 to 5 jobs anymore.
Yeah, absolutely. So it will be a good one, I guess. And so let's continue with the rest part of the program, and in the behind, let's so where we are now actually, let's just open the web page here. Okay, here. So till now we are here, and from here we need to go the last part of this programming, that is this page. So how to go through this page is will be the same code which we run there, but for collecting the data we need to again the same thing. We need to go to the inspect element and inspect the element from where we need to find all this. So first of all, if we want to select the medicine name, and we can say here, go here, and it is under if you see, it is under base class, under span class, it is base, and under that it is written as DOL 3 tablet 10s. So it is written under span. And again, if we go to the composition part, so it is written under gen name. This class is gen name, means generic name. And for, I guess this is under simply span class price. If we click on that, this is the price. So we need to select all this data through Beautiful Soup. So let's continue with our code here. So we need to do the same thing, and see, this part will be common. So let's just paste this code here, and this will be changed by all URL. Again, then say we declare a variable name made name, and from there we will data dot find all, and what we'll find from here, it is span. Under span, if we go, it is on class. and the class name is say medicine name. You can go here and it is under base class, so it will be as base. So let's complete the bracket here. Mhm. Okay, similarly just copy this one. We need the price also, so suppose the variable name is met price and it will be under class. We already see it is under simply price. Again copy that, and we need the generic name, so change this to gen. And for generic name, let's go again to the inspect class. Okay, it is under a then span class gen name. So, okay, so it will be under class name will be gen underscore name. Again copy, and it will be manufacturer company, and it is under, if we see again here, the manufacturing company is by 3A pharmaceutical, so it is under P class, P manuf and href. So it is not under span, so change it with a and change this to P manufacturing. Okay, now if we, okay, one thing I forgot, uh, at the back when we are trying to do this, run this code, we face some error, and the error is related to sometimes they remove some medicine. Just let us load the page properly. Sometimes they remove some medicine from the list, and if we suppose go through it, it is basically hit and trial. And if you refer here, I will try to show you if I found some page here, where it is actually the page. Actually, here you can see the name, but in inside there is nothing. So 404 error is there. If 404 error is coming, then your loop is going to break there. The program going to end there, and that's what we don't want. Let me check again. If we go to say about health, I have seen it somewhere. I actually don't remember which medicine, uh, but it is there. I don't know whether they have rectified it or not. Mm-hmm. Okay. So basically, it is a 404 page. Now it is not coming here. I actually don't see. Uh, if the page was removed, now this all the letters are in caps. By visualizing in eye, you can see all the letter in cap if the page is not there. Okay. Anyways, so we need to do something about that because otherwise our program will not run correctly. And for that small piece of code we will just write, we will write, we declare one variable check is equal to data to dot find all, and under that it is more like their 404 page was coming at the 404 text was written under h2, so it will be a h2 one. The class will be title. See, if this is coming, then your program should increase your uh, value of the increase should increase the value of the I to plus one. If it is not coming, then the program for loop should run as it is. So what we will do, use if else. If check is equal to empty, means nothing, then this piece of code will run. Otherwise, I is equal to I plus 1. Okay. Okay. So let's run this program again. And okay. Also, why not we write the code for saving this file in a CSV? For that, we will do it at the upper, and it will be with io dot open and we will give this name as medicine.csv, and we will write in append mode, and encoding is equal to UTF-8. As F1, then F1 dot write say medicine name, med manuf I think it is made manufacture. It's all comma separated value. Let's check the name manufacture gen price. Okay, so made gen made price plus slash n for the new line. Again, close f1 dot close. So basically we are here opening one CSV file named medicine.csv, and this is the header of this CSV. And now here we will just write the same thing. Let us copy from here. And our text will be, say if it is F2, so it will be like made name 0th position, then dot text. plus we need to now give this comma, and then again plus. So uh, this will be a common one. Again it will be medicine name, then medicine manufacturer, then medicine manufacturer, medicine generic name and price. Okay. Plus medicine. Okay, bracket will be there. There is an indent error. Okay. Now I think the code is ready, and let's us wait for generating the CSV file and run this code. This was the old bash, this was the new one, and okay, let's run this code. Again, this will take time, and as it will dig lots of data from here, and in the meantime, if Ronnie, you want to say something?
Hello,
Yeah.
am I audible?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Yeah, it's fine, but I think it will take some time. Are you going to like continue the like complete execution and the generation of the output file, or we are just going to stop like after running the code?
No, actually, I will just wait for 5 or 10 minutes until the CSV file, one CSV file start generating, and after that we will share you the final CSV result, and the CSV will generate here. This is an old one. Let me first delete those two. So it will be generate here, and before that there will print all the total number of the medicine here. So let's just wait for 5 or 6 minutes here, and after that we can just pause our video and show the end result of this one.
So I'm
What do you
recording.
say?
I'm recording the session. So shall I do it now? Means shall I do go ahead and like pause the video right now?
No, you can if you want to share something with our viewer, or you can share your some thoughts about something else. You can share in these 5 or 6 minutes. After that, we can pause our video, and we will again show them while the output are generated completely.
No, no, it's fine. Like go ahead. I think you should pause now.
Okay, then just pause here. We will just show them the output, and from here as well as terminal as well as the folder. So just pause our program now. I say pause your video recording now.
Okay, fine. I'm doing it.
Okay, guys, the file is been started to generate, and you can see here the total 58953 number of medicine is there, and the CSV file has been started to generate. And we can head over to here, and you can see this is the file. It will take much longer time to generate, and uh, okay, so the file has been started to generate. Here you can see there's medicine.csv. Its size is now 53 KB. It will take much longer time, say suppose 7 to 8 hours. So as you can see, it will take much longer time, say 7 to 8 hours to, I think, complete for completion of this CSV file. So in the meantime, I will end my video here. Before that, I will let you see this CSV file. So I will just copy it here, and you can see the size is increasing because the program is running in the background. So let's push open this CSV file, and you can see the med name is here. Let me bold it. And medicine manufacturer is here, and here it is the generic composition, it is the price. So as you can see, around these are lots of medicine companies, and their medicine is there, and the respective price and the composition you can also see here. So that's it, guys. Hope you like this video and enjoyed it. We will meet you soon with our new series of video about Tinker in Python. It is a Windows GUI based. It will be an interesting one, and so stay tuned with us for the more new videos, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.